Hello student, in the previous video we have discussed the tangent to a circle and various situations of the tangent. Now today we discuss the number of tangents drawn from a point to the circle. Now let us take, there is a circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O, and the situation of points depends according to the circle. Suppose if a point lies inside the circle, then how many tangents we can draw which passes through point P? There will be no tangent. Why? Because if we draw any line which passes through point P, it becomes the secant to the circle because it intersects the circle at two different points. Now, if any point lies on the circle, suppose a point Q lies on the circle, then how many tangents we can draw? We can draw only one tangent. We can draw only one tangent. As we have discussed in the previous video, हमने पहले वीडियो में डिस्कस किया था कि सर्कल के ऊपर कोई पॉइंट है तो हम कितने टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं? We can draw only one tangent. Now, if any point lies outside the circle, suppose this is a point R. This is the third situation when a point lies outside the circle. Then what happens? How many tangents we can draw? So from here, from this point R, we draw a tangent at point, suppose A, and we can draw another tangent, that is point B. So there are two tangents, okay, from point R which is exterior to the circle. सर्कल के बाहर यदि कोई पॉइंट है तो वहां से हम सर्कल के ऊपर दो टेंजेंट्स, वी कैन ड्रॉ टू टेंजेंट्स टू अ सर्कल फ्रॉम एन एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ हियर इन दिस डायग्राम from point R which lies outside the circle, we can draw two tangents, RA and RB. Okay, now one more thing which we have to discuss, that is the length of tangent. Length of tangent. Now what are the length of tangent? Here the distance between the point from where the tangent is drawn to the point of contact. जिस पॉइंट से हमने टेंजेंट को ड्रॉ किया है उस पॉइंट से पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट का जो डिस्टेंस है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट. सो ए आर और आर बी आर द लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट. ए आर और आर बी, ये दोनों, it is called the length of tangents. Okay, so we have discussed two things. Number of tangents can be drawn from a point to the circle, and second, the length of tangent. Okay, now we come to the theorem which is based on the length of tangents. Okay, now we come to the theorem which is 10.2. The length of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal. Okay, so here suppose this is a circle with center O. So in a circle COR, this is the way to denote the circle. C is the circle, O is the center, and R is the radius. And suppose P is an external point. From P we draw the tangents. From point P, how many tangents can be drawn from an external point? There are two tangents. Okay, so we draw, these are the two tangents which can be drawn from point P to the circle at point A and at point B. Okay, PA and PB are the tangents. PA and PB are the tangents at points A and B. Now what we have to prove? To prove that length of tangents are equal. So what will be the length of this tangent? That is PA. PA equals to PB. Length of tangents are equal. Now to prove this, we have to do a construction. What is the construction? We join center to the point A and O to B. We join A to O and O to B. Also O to P. Now join O to points A, B and P. This is the construction. Now when we join center to the point of contact, then the theorem 10.1, what we have proved, that the radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So here OA is the radius from point of contact. So it will be perpendicular to the tangent. Similarly, in the second tangent, for the second tangent, OB is perpendicular to PB. Now since we can write also here the radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So since now OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Clear? Radius through the center to the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Now we have, in this diagram, we have two triangles, triangle OAP and OBP. So in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Now what we have? We have OA is same as OB. OA is same as OB. What is the reason? Radii of a circle. This is the radii of a circle. Now second, angle OAP. Angle OAP is same as angle OBP. Each is 90 degree. The measurement of these two angles are 90 degree. Now second, OP is common to both. OP is same as OP. This is the common side. This is the common side. So here what we have? OP is the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Both are the right angle triangles. The hypotenuse and the side of one right angle triangle is same as the hypotenuse and side of another right angle triangle. So by RHS congruency, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Is that clear? In these two right angle triangles, hypotenuse and sides are equal. So triangles must be congruent. When the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts must be equal. So what about AP and PB? The remaining side of first triangle is AP and the remaining side of other triangle is PB. So here PA equals to PB. What is the reason? By corresponding parts of congruent triangles, and it is proved. What we have to prove? That PA equals to PB, and by congruency of these two triangles we get PA equals to PB, and PA and PB are the length of tangent, so both are equal. So what is the theorem? The length of tangents from external points are equal. Okay, now we come to the exercise 10.2. The question number 4 is, prove that the tangents drawn at the end of diameter of a circle are parallel. So here there is a circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O. So in a circle COR, AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Now the two tangents drawn at the end. How many tangents can be drawn? We can draw the tangents. One end of the diameter is A and another is B. So we draw the tangent from A and B. So suppose L is a tangent from point A and there is another tangent from point B. Suppose this is M and L and M are the tangents from points A and B. These are the tangents. So what we have to prove? So to prove that L is parallel to M, we have to prove that these two tangents are parallel. अब यहाँ पैरेलल के लिए हमारे पास कंडीशंस क्या हैं? These are the two lines and AB is the transversal. AB intersect these two circles and these two tangents. Now, so it is the transversal. Now, we have three conditions. Either corresponding angles must be equal, or alternate interior angles must be equal, or co-interior angles must be supplementary. So here, since AB is the diameter, which is also a transversal, now from the theorem 1, the radius OA becomes the radius and OB is the radius, okay? Because diameter passes through the center. So OA is perpendicular to line L, perpendicular to the tangent. And similarly, OB is perpendicular to M. OB is perpendicular to M. So here, since the radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangents. So here OA is perpendicular to L and OB is perpendicular to M. Okay. So here all these angles are equal. ये भी right angle होगा, ये भी right angle होगा. तो यहाँ पर ये angles कैसे हैं? Angle 1 and angle 2. Since angle 1 equals to angle 2 and each is 90 degree, which are the alternate interior angles for lines L and M. देखिए ये लाइन L और M के लिए एंगल 1 और 2 कैसे हैं? Alternate interior angles which are equal. So when alternate interior angles are equal, so line L must be parallel to M. ओके तो यहां पर आप ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल से भी कर सकते हैं. दूसरा, मान लीजिए आपने यहां पर लिया है तो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 3 देयर सम विल बी 180 डिग्री बिकॉज एंगल 1 इज 90, एंगल 3 इज 90. तो 1 प्लस 3 इज 180 डिग्री बिकॉज को इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर सप्लीमेंट्री. तो ऐसे भी आप, अभी हमने ऑल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी यूज की है, आप को इंटीरियर एंगल की प्रॉपर्टी लेके भी इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ वी कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज 10.2. द क्वेश्चन इज द लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ए at distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. the length of tangent, okay, length of tangent is 4 centimeter. From where? A point 5 centimeter from the center. तो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल फाइंड करना है. यहां देखिए एक सर्कल है. Suppose this is a circle with center O. Now, in circles with center O, there is a point A at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. तो अब ये जो point A है, it will be outside the circle. तभी हम वहां से tangent draw करेंगे. ओके, तो यहां से हमने ये जो डिस्टेंस है OA, ये कितना है? 5 सेंटीमीटर. एंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट द लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. सपोज दिस इज अ टेंजेंट, AX is a tangent which intersect the circle at point P. Okay, so AP is 4 centimeter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the radius. We have to find the radius. So in circle COR, OA is 5 centimeter and AP is 4 centimeter. P is the point of contact because AX is a tangent at point P. AX is a tangent at point P. So AP is 4 centimeter. Now what we have, look at here, OPA. OPA is a right angle triangle because OP is perpendicular to AX. Radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Now चाहे तो आप लिख भी सकते हैं, since radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Now here, since AX is tangent, so OP is perpendicular to AX. OP is perpendicular to AX. Now in triangle OPA, angle P is 90 degree. So what is the relation between the sides of a right angle triangle? We use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, OA is the hypotenuse. OA square, because it is opposite to right angle, equals to OP square plus PA square. The square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now put the value. OA कितना है? 5 centimeter. So 5 square equals to OP is R and PA is 4 centimeter. So 4 square. Now this becomes 25 and 4 square is 16, and when we transpose it, 25 minus 16 is R square. So R, this is 9 equals to R square. So R becomes 3 centimeter. So radius of the circle, this circle will be 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we come to another question, that is question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to the circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segments joining the points of contact at the center. यहाँ देखिए, ये कुछ क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा हम समझे कि there is a circle, okay? This is a circle with center O. And we draw the tangents from an external point. Suppose P is an external point, so we draw the tangent. we draw the two tangents from external point P to the circle. What we have to find? What we have to prove? That the angle between the two tangents. अब ये tangents के बीच का angle क्या है? Angle P. External is supplementary. ये angle supplementary means sum of two angles must be 180 degree. तो ये angle किसका supplementary है? This is the supplementary to which angle? Subtended by the line segments joining the point of contact at the center. So point A and B are the point of contact. If we join A to O and O to B, so these are the line segment joining center to the point of contact. Okay. तो ये इस एंगल के सप्लीमेंट्री होगा। मैंने आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? एंगल ए पी बी प्लस एंगल ए ओ बी इज 180 डिग्री। जब इन दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री होगा, सो वन इज द सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल ऑफ अदर। इज दैट क्लियर? सो वी राइट हियर इन अ सर्कल COR, PA and PB are the tangents from external point P. So what we have to prove? To prove that angle APB plus APB plus angle AOB plus angle AOB is 180 डिग्री। आपको बताना ये है कि APB सप्लीमेंट्री है इसके, मीन्स दैट सम विल बी 180 डिग्री। ये हमको प्रूफ करना पड़ेगा, और जब ये हो जाएगा तो हम कह देंगे कि ये जो एंगल्स हैं ये सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स हैं। ओके, नाउ अगेन वी कम टू द थ्योरम 10.1। OA and OB are the radius which are perpendicular to the tangents, which are perpendicular to the tangents। माने OA is perpendicular to AP and OB is perpendicular to PB। तो यहाँ पर ये perpendicular है। अब देखिए यहाँ पर APBO becomes a quadrilateral। Okay, so by the angle sum property of quadrilateral we can find this value। Okay, now since OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB, यहाँ चाहे तो आप रीजन लिख सकते हैं। The radius through the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent। Okay, so OA is perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB। So now by angle sum property of quadrilateral APBO, the sum of all angles, angle APB plus angle PBO plus angle BOA plus angle OAP is 360 डिग्री। देखिए एंगल APB ये एंगल प्लस एंगल PBO ये प्लस एंगल BOA ये एंगल O and angle OAP, that is angle A, their sum will be 360 degree। Now since OA is perpendicular to PA, means angle OAP is equals to 90 degree and angle PBO also 90 degree। Okay, from here, so चाहे तो आप लिख सकते हैं बिकॉज OA is perpendicular to PB and PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. So substitute here, this gives angle APB plus PBO. PBO कितना है 90 plus 90 plus BOA, angle BOA plus OAP. OAP is 90 equals to 360 degree. So this gives angle APB plus angle BOA is 360. 90 plus 90 180, and if we transpose to other side it becomes minus 180 degree. 360 degree minus 180 degree, it gives angle APB plus angle BOA is 180 degree. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, so angle APB and angle BOA or AOB are supplementary angles. तो इस तरीके से हम इसको प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि sum of two angles is 180 degree, so one is the supplementary angle of other. Okay. Now we come to the another question of this exercise, that is question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Okay. So here there is a circle. In this circle, a parallelogram is circumscribing, means the sides of parallelogram will touch the circle. Okay, so here suppose we draw the parallelogram. Now ABCD is a parallelogram which is circumscribing a circle with center O. So here the sides AB, BC, CD and AD of the parallelogram touches the circle or intersect the circle at a point. So suppose AB touches the circle at point B, BC at Q, DC at R and AD at S. Means point P, Q, R and S are the point of contact of the sides of parallelogram. So here we write in a circle COR, the sides of parallelogram, the sides of parallelogram ABCD touches the circle at point P, Q, R and S. Okay, these are the point of contact. Okay, now look at here. Now from point A, vertex A, AP is a tangent or the length of tangent from A, and AS is the length of tangent. Means point A, B, C and D are the external points from where we draw the tangents. Okay, यहाँ से आपने ये tangents draw किए हैं. Okay, so from theorem 10.2, the length of tangent from external points are equal. And we know that the length of tangents from external point are equal. Okay, So from point A, AP is same as AS. AP is equals to AS. From point A, we draw two tangents, AB and AD. So length of tangents must be equal, so AP equals to AS. From point B, we draw two tangents. Okay. So here PB is same as BQ. PB is same as BQ. Similarly, CR is same as CQ. CR is same as CQ. And from D, DR is same as DS. DR is same as DS. Okay? Because A, B, C, D are the external points and we draw. Now, here, these are the parts length of tangents. Now, if we add side by side, so here on adding these relations, we have AP plus PB plus CR plus DR is same as AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Sum of left hand side is same as the sum of right hand side. Now look at here, AP plus PB. AP plus PB, if we combine these two, AP plus PB plus CR plus DR equals to AS plus DS. क्योंकि आपको ये AS और DS को कंबाइन करने से AS प्लस DS ये हो जाएगा AD और यहां से BQ प्लस CQ. अब यहां देखिए AP प्लस PB कितना हो गया, AB प्लस CR प्लस DR कितना हो गया, CD is equals to AS. AS plus DS will be AD plus BQ plus CQ is BC. Now, here what we get, sum of opposite sides are sum of the opposite sides. AB plus CD is same as AD plus BC. Now, here since ABCD is a parallelogram, since ABCD is a parallelogram, so this implies that AB is same as CD and AD is same as BC. So if we substitute here, so we have AB plus AB. CD is replaced by AB. Similarly here, AD and BC is also replaced by AD. So what we have? Twice of AB is same as twice of AD. This gives AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD. So now what we have? AB equals to AD means the adjacent side of parallelogram are equal. Since adjacent sides of parallelogram ABCD are equal. So therefore ABCD is a rhombus. और यही आपको प्रूफ करना था कि ये जो पैरेललोग्राम है which is circumscribing a circle is a parallelogram. इसके लिए हमने क्या प्रूफ किया कि जो adjacent side है AB plus AD, AB and AD are equal, है ना. आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, AB को BC के इक्वल भी कर सकते हैं ये रिप्लेसमेंट करके. ओके, तो ये इस तरीके से आज हमने देखा कि लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉन फ्रॉम एन एक्सटर्नल पॉइंट टू द सर्कल आर इक्वल, और उस पर बेस हमने कुछ क्वेश्चंस किए थे. इस पर मेनली अभी जो थ्योरम 10.2 है उस पर बेस्ड ये क्वेश्चन था. ऐसे और भी क्वेश्चंस आपको एक्सरसाइज में दिए हैं, उनको आप करके देख लीजिए और कहीं कोई डिफिकल्टी है तो उसको पूछ लीजिए. ओके, थैंक यू.